CDs or high-yield savings? Two top contenders for your cash, but here's the big question. Which one truly gives you the edge? On the left, classic CDs. Lock in higher fixed rates for guaranteed returns. And on the right, flexible, high-yield savings accounts. Competitive rates and fast access when you need it. Let's skip the jargon and dive into the real features that matter. Each category earns points, so by the end, you'll see who really comes out ahead. The winner may surprise you. Okay, before we dive in, here's the game plan. We're going to pit these two against each other across a bunch of categories. Interest rates, liquidity, rate stability, safety, and who each one is actually best for. So yeah, grab your notepad or just mentally keep score as we roll. First up, interest rates. Now, CDs, honestly, they've made a bit of a comeback lately. We're talking rates as high as 4.18%. Fixed, by the way, which is kind of wild for something this safe. The cool thing is, you lock in that rate for the whole term. So if rates dip, you're just chilling. Downside? If the market goes up, well, you might feel a teeny bit of FOMO. Now, high-yield savings are next. Some of these were flirting with 5% recently, but here's the thing. That number isn't guaranteed. It can bounce around with the market, which is great if rates keep climbing. Not so awesome if they don't. But overall, CDs clutch the win here for dependable higher rates. Let's talk liquidity. How quickly can you get your money if you need it in a pinch? With CDs, not so fast. Your cash is locked up, and if you try to grab it early, they'll smack you with some penalties, usually a few months' worth of interest. It's basically banks saying, hold your horses. But high-yield savings, honestly, this is what makes them so enticing. Pull your money out anytime, throw more in whenever you want. No drama. The only tiny catch? Some banks might limit the number of transactions per month, but it's way more flexible. So, yeah. High-yield savings takes this round. Okay, next, rate stability. CDs are like the definition of predictable. You sign up, you get your rate, and that's that. If the world turns upside down and rates drop, you're covered. Super comforting, right? But with high-yield savings, your rate's constantly doing a little dance. If rates surge, sweet, yours might jump too. But if rates fall, well, so does yours. CDs are basically that reliable friend who always sticks to the plan. So they easily take this one. Oh, and here's something cool I found out while putting this together. In case you missed it, CDs actually stabilized back in 2025 after the Fed held rates steady for a while. So if you were wondering why rates feel more predictable right now, that's the backstory. On to safety, which, yeah, matters way more than people talk about. Both CDs and high-yield savings are FDIC insured up to $250,000 at most banks. So even if the bank totally messes up, you're covered. Bottom line, it's a tie here. Both super safe. And finally, who are these even best for? CDs? Perfect for anyone with long-term goals who just wants to set it and forget it, knowing exactly what they're going to earn. Downside is, you got to give up some flexibility. Meanwhile, high-yield savings are kind of made for your emergency fund or any short-term stash. You can snatch up your money whenever. The trade-off? Yields might not stay so high and steady. For this one, honestly, it's about what fits your vibe. So, we'll call it a tie. All right, quick recap. If you need liquidity and love that flexibility, high-yield savings is probably calling your name. But if you're after stable, higher rates and don't need quick access to your cash, CDs just quietly win most of those head-to-heads. Let's take a quick look at the radar chart to see these matchups side by side. So, my take? If you want those locked-in rates, especially if you think interest rates are going to fall, CDs are just hard to beat. But if you want the freedom to move your money around, or you're always chasing the highest possible rate, a high-yield savings account is honestly the way to go. I wouldn't blame you for splitting your savings between the two. Ready to figure out your savings game plan? Go check out the latest rates at certificatesofdeposit.com or highyieldssavings.com and see which one fits your goals